Hello students, let's read the problem. And it says, Julian graphed the linear parent function f in the coordinate plane. Then he graphed a new line g, changing the slope for 1/2 and the y-intercept for 5. Which statement about the two graphs is true? So we want to find out a true statement, right? Okay, so we're going to need to compare both of my functions, right? So what we can actually do is graph them, right? So I'm going to do like a sketch over here. It's not going to be like a super duper perfect one, but it's just to give you an idea what a parent function looks like, right? So my parent function goes through the origin and it goes something like this. Is that right? Okay. Now, what about the new function? Well, it says that the slope was changed. Okay, so I'm going to write it down over here to 1/2. And the y-intercept also got changed to a positive 5. Okay, so my slope being 1/2, it means that I'm going to go 1 up and 2 to the right. Okay, so let's go ahead and graph it. I'm going to start at the y-intercept, which is 5. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. And then I'm going to follow the slope, 1 up, 2 to the right, more or less, right? So that's 1 up, 2 to the right, 1 up, 2 to the right, 1 up, 2 to the right, and so on, right? Okay, so what I want you to notice is the behavior of the new line. So I'm going to go the opposite. So I'm going to go 1 down and then 2 to the left. 1 down and 2 to the left. More or less, right? So look at how my line is going to look like. Like I said, it might not be a perfect line, but I just want you to see how the line change, okay? Because it's very important that you see the difference between both of them, okay? So this one is my new graph, okay? So let's look at the answer choices. It says letter A, the graph of the line G, and you know what? Let's go ahead and write down G. This is my graph G, right? It's less steep than the graph of the parent function. Now, what does it mean by less steep? So less steep means that my new line or my graph is going to be closer to the x-axis. Okay? Not closer to the y, but being less steep, it means that it's going to get closer to the y, to the x-axis, right? So I want you to look at the line G, which is our blue one, right? And I want you to think about it from that perspective. Does it look like it got tilted down, or does it look like it got really, really standing up? Because less steep means that. Steeper means that my line is going to be more like straight like that. So which one do you think we have? I hope that you said the one that is less steep, right? Yes, it is, okay? And then it says, and the y-intercept was translated 5 units up. Is that true? Did it go up 5 units? So let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and yes, it is 5 up. So it looks like answer choice A, it's our answer. Is that right? So let's just check on the other one just so that we can confirm. Letter B says the graph of the line G is steeper. Now remember what I said about a steeper? Steeper means that it's more standing up. And no, I don't think it's more standing up. It's actually more flattened, right? So no, that's not right. Letter C. The graph of the line G is less steep. So that is true, right? Then the graph of the parent function f. And the y-intercept was translated 5 units down. Is that true? Did it go 5 units down? No, we said that it actually went up, right? 5 units. So no, that's not right. And the last one says the graph of the line G is steeper. So let's go ahead and highlight that. Is it true? Is it steeper? Remember we said steeper means that it's almost like standing up, like straight. And that's not true. So the answer for us, it is going to be answer choice A. Very good.